Beehiiv Newsletter tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Beehiiv and how you can use it to start your own newsletter. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we need to do is we need to sign up onto Beehiiv. Now, Beehiiv is a free tool to use. However, there is a pricing plan. So let me just go over that real quick. So over here, as you can see, we have four plans. There's the launch plan, scale, max, and enterprise, and each of them will offer you different options. So in the launch one, you can get up to 2,500 subscribers, right? And over here, what's included, you get a custom website, custom newsletter, campaign analytics, unlimited email sends, up to 3 publications, recommendation network, optimized delivery, subscriber tagging, and all the good stuff, right? And then we have scale. This is going to cost you $39 per month, and you can choose how many subscribers you want. So that one had 2,500. So if we go with 2,500, it's going to cost us $59 per month, right? And let's say if you have over 5,000 subscribers, then of course $79 per month. So keep that in mind. So it may look cheap when compared to 1,000 subscribers, but keep that in mind. So let's just stick with 2,500. And in it, you get everything from the previous plan, but you also get ad network, boost network, paid subscription, news website templates, email automation, 3 analytics, Beehiiv AI, survey and polls, unlimited teammates, and community access and webhooks. And then you have max, which is going to be $129 per month for 2,500 subscribers, and it's going to remove all the Beehiiv branding. So this one does not say that anywhere over here, so I'm a little confused. Let me go ahead and check this out in the more depth in the feature comparison down below. So over here, let's see, Beehiiv. So here we go. So remove Beehiiv branding. So even if you get the scale one, even if you pay like $60, you would still have the Beehiiv branding. So keep that in mind. So if you want to remove that, you're going to have to go with the max one. So now that you know some of the pricing structures and how it works, let's go ahead and sign up. So we're going to continue with the launch option. Click on get started with launch. It's going to open up in another tab over here. We're going to go ahead and sign up. Now the sign up process is actually very simple. You just enter in your first name, your last name, email, and password, and you should be good to go. Or you can continue with Google, it depends on you. And after that, they'll send you a verification email, so make sure to verify it. And then over here, you have to verify your phone number, so add in your phone number and you should be good to go. And once you've done that, once you've verified your number, they're gonna ask what is your experience level. So let's say we're a beginner, right? And we're gonna click on continue. You can skip this as well, it depends on you. And then over here, you can add your logo, add your name of your newsletter, subdomain are gonna be over here, and what is the topic about. Now, if you want to learn about topics, what you can do is you can come over here onto ChatGPT, all right, and basically ask it to give you a list of profitable niches. And here you can go ahead and see some of the profitable niches to start with. So we've got travel, health, wellness, personal finance, sustainable living, technology, home improvement, food and cooking, and parenting, right? So we can go with something like this, right? So let's say we want to use personal finance, all right? So we have budgeting, investing, retirement planning, and all of that. So when we come back over here underneath Beehiiv, let's go ahead and find some sort of financials, right? So since it was personal finance, budgeting, investing, and retirement, let's go ahead and find finance over here. Here we have finance, and then let's go ahead and add budgeting. So something like this, and then we can click on continue. And then over here, how did you hear about them? We'll just say banner ad and click on continue. Now, are you publishing a newsletter on your own, or are you publishing on behalf of an organization? So select whichever one you want. I'm going to select solo creator and click on continue. Become a full-time creator, explore hobbies. So, select whichever one you want or just skip. And then once you've done that, you are good to go. So now you can go ahead and continue, click on it, and here we go. So here we have our dashboard, and here we can go ahead and start our newsletter. So over here, you can see you're going to have all of your basic analytics over here. Your active subscribers, open rates, and click rates are going to be over here. On the left-hand side, you have post, audience, grow, monetization, and design and analyze. And here you have some checklists that you can go ahead and create. And then you have your resources here. Here you can go ahead and copy your homepage, and your sign up page links are going to be over here as well. And if you want some more tutorials, you can find it right here. So this is the overview. We have audience engagement and monetization. So now let's go ahead and get started. So over here at the left-hand side, you have your main, writing over here. So when you first start a newsletter, course, you're going to have to make sure that you have your niches down, right? You know what you're doing. You have your audiences, you've created your posts. So next step is to, write your content. So there are a couple of ways that you can do this. There are 3 ways. Number 1 is you do it yourself. You write your own content, which is going to be good because, you are writing it yourself, so you're focused, but it is going to be a little bit time consuming. So option number 2 is you use something like ChatGPT, but using ChatGPT, of course, AI content, there are a lot of websites out there that can detect AI content, and a lot of people don't really appreciate that. So that's not a good option, but it is a good way to start it. Go ahead and get started with it so that you can understand what you're doing. The third is the best way. It is to hire someone from a freelancing website like Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com. Find someone to write your content for you, and you should be good to go. So once you've found someone to write your post with, we should be good to go. Next, what you want to do is click on start writing over here. You can start with a blank or, use a template. So if you select use a template, you can create using from the templates over here, and you can create your own template so that, if you click on new templates over here, you can go ahead and start writing. Now, there are a couple of things that you have to make sure, right? So you have to make sure that you create a very simple and clean looking format, right? So first things first, let's go ahead and do that. We're going to set up our template over here, and I'm going to go ahead and write things out in a clean, precise way so that we can go ahead and use this template and create our own content. So here we have a simple format, all right? So here is a clean format that you can use to create your own, your own newsletter. So over here, you will have your newsletter name, your tagline, subtitle, date, header, images, logos are going to be over here. Table of content over here, introduction, featured, article, all right? Tips and resources, all of them are going to be over here. So you can go ahead and change this as you go. But yeah, this is going to be a good template to use. So once you've added this, you can go ahead and add the new template option. So depending upon how many newsletters and what type of writing style you have, you can create different templates. So we're just going to say this is the basic template. Next, what you want to do is click on save. So we have now saved our basic template. Now what we'll do is we'll move on. So next we have posts. Here is where you can go ahead and get started by writing your posts. Here is how it's going to look like, all right? You have your subject line, text, and your website and everything. And here you have your new post. So what you can do is click on edit post. But currently I cannot edit this. It's locked as of right now. So we'll leave it at this. This is for paid promotion, I would say. Then you have your audience. Here you will go ahead and set up your audience. You can add subscription forms over here. You can create one. This is going to look like here. You can create a new subscriber form so that people can come over here and subscribe to your content. You can see you have some basic options right here, typography, and after subscription, you have general informations are going to be over here where you can have basic information. You can add your logo over here, thumbnail, publication name, one line description. All of the main settings are going to be over here, like copyright, text, and analytics are going to be over here. Domain, paid subscription, everything is going to be over here. So you're going to have to set this up yourself, and it's going to take quite some time. But yeah, I'm going to skip all of these settings for now. And once that's done, you have to add in your audience and subscribers, right? So next thing, of course, to get some of these subscribers, and you need to go ahead and start using lead magnets and start generating leads. So how you can get them, you can get them in different formats such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, Twitter as well. Now, basically, it depends on what type of audience you're generating through your newsletter. So of course, if your newsletter is around technology and stuff like that, and it depends on where your audience basically spends their time. So online. So if it's younger audience, then of course they're going to be on Instagram or TikTok. If they're older people, they're going to be, of course, on either Twitter or Yahoo, maybe even Facebook. So from there, you can go ahead and generate your own leads and, get your subscribers. And once that's done, all that's left for you to do is to monetize them. And, you can run ads and boost and, do all those sorts of things. And once that's done, basically, yeah, that's how you do it. That is how you set up your own newsletter. So with Beehiiv, it's pretty easy over here. You can go ahead and make sure you customize your website as well. So there are a lot of options to do this, but unfortunately, we don't have a lot of time. So I just basically gave you an overview on how you can set up your Beehiiv account. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.